Okay, here's the third one in the series of our Proving Santa. Now I want to animate my slideshow. Okay, so I'm going to go way over here. I have control of the slide itself, and I'm going to do transition. First off, I'm going to transition between my slides. We did this on our umbrella. So far, there's none. I'm going to hit the none. I'm going to hit the none. I'm sorry, down here, and I'm going to choose. I want mine to flip. I like when they flip. Okay, I'm not going to change the speed. I'm going to apply to all slides, and then I'm going to be done. Okay, so I'm done, and then I can do that. I can see it when I go up and I present. I can see this changing. So watch when I present. I'm going to click on my slide and see how they flip. There we go. I'm going to exit out of that so we can go back to here, okay? The next thing I can do is I'm going to go back to my first slide. I can make my font also do things. So I'm going to click on the slide. I'm going to go to transition theme. I can go down here. I can objects animate. I can animate my objects to do it too. So let's say I want this one to go, okay? I'm going to animate the object. And I want him to, maybe I want him to fade in. Oh no, maybe I want him to fly in from the left or the right. Oh, from the bottom. I'm going to do fly in from the left. I don't want it on click. I want it after previous, okay? Always choose after previous. Otherwise, you have to click to make it work. This goes automatic as you go through the slides, okay? So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to close that out. I can animate the pictures the same way. I can hit the picture, go to animate, the same thing. I can make it fade in or move. I can click on this one and I can do whatever I want it to do. Okay, so there's how you animate pictures, and that's how you animate the different fonts. Okay, so let's look at what I've done. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to go to the first slide. I'm going to do present. We have our overlay. We've done that. We have a nice big title. We have our name at the bottom. We got our picture. So we got our first slide. Now I'm going to click. Oh, I got my transition between slides. Oh, my font has come in. There's my picture. I've animated font and picture. I've done it. I'm going to click again. I got my GIF, my moving picture. And I can do my font and my picture on every slide if I wanted to. That's totally up to you. Okay? This is one that you can have total fun with. Now, it ends there. If you want to end with one more slide, you could totally end with one more slide. So I'm going to do that. Okay? I'm going to go over here. I'm going to Control C and Control V copies. But I don't want this GIF on here. Oops. Go down. Oops, hang on. Sorry about that. I'm going to go like this, Control C, Control V. I don't want this GIF, so I'm going to backspace on the GIF, and now I'm going to say, we now know Santa is real. And I can do that anyway I want to. I can just say real. Or you can say Santa is real. Now you believe. Can you believe now? However you want to do it. I'm going to make this nice and big though, because this is my last page. So whatever you want to do to make this look the coolest that you want to, I think 48 needs to be even bigger than that. It could be 72. Yes. And we now know Santa is real. There's my last slide. Okay? So it's going to be fun. It's going to be awesome. And then you turn it in when you are all done. Okay? So let's go over it one more time. You have 4 slides that have 4 proofs. I have 4 proofs. I have 4 proofs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my opening slide, has my title and my name on it. You don't have to have a closing slide, but you can if you'd like. Okay? I have an overlay on top of my first slide. I only do that on my first slide. I have a GIF. I can have as many GIFs as I want. I can have every picture be a GIF if I want. Totally okay. I'm going to transition between my slides. So when I present, they change a different way to my slides. I can animate words. I can animate pictures. That's totally up to you what else you want to animate, but you need to animate some. So let's go back to our proof. We need 4 proofs. Animate a text. You got to animate one text. Animate one picture. Animate one slide. I should say animate slides. Animate your slides. So if you animate all your slides, you got it, okay? And so let's look at also what it says. You'll be creating a Google slide with an opening slide and then 4 slides with proofs that Santa is real. Open your 4th grade folder, choose new Google Slides, name it. Oh, we didn't have to do that. I'm getting rid of that. Each slide has to have a picture, either a personal picture, if you want to put your own pictures in, you can, or one you find on Google. Each slide has to have a text telling what the proof is. Ah, and we've done that. You learn how to animate text in a picture. We did that. How to add an overlay of snow. We did that. Now that's tricky, so if you can't do it, it's okay. Learn about a cool Google image. We did. That's our gifts. I will post a video telling how to do all this. I have, and that's what we're doing right now. If you have any other questions, please let me know, because this is going to be fun. Bye-bye.